Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss part 3 of your class 11th commerce, and the topic which is going to be discussed is role of profit in business. Profit is a universal phenomenon. There is a need of profit for survival of the business, for growth of the business, for paying to the factors of the production. There is a need of profit. So here there are 5 points which tells that profit has got a very important role in the business. First is incentive. Profit is the driving force of every business. It inspires people to start an enterprises and to work hard for making it successful. Every businessman will do business, would like to do business only when he knows that there is a profit. It motivates him, it inspires him for doing the business. Second, survival. For survival of every business, there is a need for profit. Otherwise, the person will eat up his own capital. The business will eat up its own capital if there is no profit. If he doesn't earn profit, businessman, he will not be able to survive for longer period in the market. His business will not be able to survive. Profit is essential for survival of the business. It ensures the continuity of an enterprise. In the absence of profit, enterprise will eat up its own capital and ultimately close down. So with the help of profit, business can replace obsolete machineries, equipments. We can buy new machineries, we can buy new plants, we can buy new technology. So if there is profit, then we can go for the advancement in the technology. Third, growth. Profit is the biggest source of capital for expansion and growth of business. There are two types of capital. One is owned capital, which can be called self-financing. Another is borrowed capital, means financing from other sources. So profit acts as self-financing, and even if there is good profit, others are interested in investing or lending money to a businessman. So for growth of the business, there is a need for profit. Fourth, measure of efficiency. Profit is considered to be the index of success in business. People judge the performance of an enterprise on the basis of profit earned by it. If any firm is earning more profit, people say this firm is good. If any firm is going in loss, people are not interested in investing in that company. People do not buy shares, people do not lend money, people do not buy debentures of those companies who are earning less profit or who are in loss, which are in loss. But those companies which are earning good profit, that company is considered to be a good company. So efficiency is measured of any company on the basis of its profit earned. Last, prestige and recognition. To get good goodwill in the market, a firm has to earn profit. A business has to earn profit to get a goodwill in the market. To become successful, to stand in the market, to stand in the cutthroat competition, a firm has to earn profit. So profit is a universal phenomena. Without profit, a business cannot grow, cannot survive and cannot make its goodwill in the market. Thank you. Goodbye.